Passed, the expertise and determination of NASA will help drive the. Now, Moonbase 1 will be the first privately funded lunar lander mission in history. The Blue Origin Mark I Endurance lander will deliver multiple payloads to the Shackleton Connecting Ridge, a strategic area of the lunar South Pole. In addition to flying 2 NASA science payloads, SCALPs, a lunar retroreflector array, the mission objective is to demonstrate critical capabilities that reduce risk for the human landing system missions. On that note, every mission in support of the lunar base helps us learn and de-risk crewed missions, but this one is especially important because of the role Blue Origin plays in the Artemis program. We've been extremely active. We've been reviewing feedback from the ignition events. Moonbase 2 will be the largest commercial payload delivered to the lunar surface ever, though in this Moonbase endeavor, we certainly hope to be breaking records on nearly every mission. The robotic Griffin lander will carry more than 500 kilograms of cargo, including Astrolab's FLIP rover, to the lunar surface. This mission will help mature the capabilities necessary to support future lunar terrain vehicles, autonomous operations, logistics, and especially the LTV astronaut mobility. Intended outcomes. On that note, in the time since Artemis 2, Moonbase 3 will expand our scientific understanding of the lunar surface. This mission will deliver the first payload selected through NASA's PRISM initiative, a program that brings together universities, researchers, and industry through open competition to solve scientific questions. The anchor scientific mission is Lunar Vertex, which will study lunar swirls, one of the moon's most intriguing mysteries. Now, these unusual formations appear brighter than their surroundings, as portions of the lunar surface are somehow shielded from the effects of the solar wind. Understanding why they exist could improve our understanding of how the lunar environment evolves, how surface materials change over time, and how future infrastructure may perform in these extreme conditions.
Foothold beyond Earth for all of humanity. Moonbase will be home base for our Artemis crews and will encompass long-duration stays, expanded robotic and human capabilities, and an enduring presence on the lunar surface. Everything we tested and learned on Artemis 2, the systems, the teamwork, the operational tempo, feeds directly into our ability to build a sustainable foothold on the moon. With Moonbase, Artemis astronauts will stay longer, explore farther, and conduct the kinds of science that advances exploration itself, understanding how humans operate off-world, how we build infrastructure, and how we prepare for Mars.
We envision the Moonbase to be hundreds of square miles with different assets, all building up to the objective of permanent lunar presence on the moon. To get there, we're gonna break it up in phases, and phase 1 has already started. From now through 29, we're gonna work to make sure that getting to the lunar surface is a high reliability endeavor. Many assets we can deliver there. We're also gonna test and experiments, the science of survival, as the administrator said. We're gonna experiment on the things that we know are ahead of us that we're gonna need to build a permanent infrastructure, which is happening on phase 2, and then permanent habitation on phase 3. So in that 1 meter, if we're wrong, or if we're off. So I'm gonna get ready to announce the first LTV award winner, and that is Astrolab. Congratulations. Can be a key. The second LTV provider, which I'm going to announce now, is Lunar Outpost.
Astrolab, Lunar Outpost, and Firefly. We'll now start taking questions from the media.